Hey everyone, welcome back to another tech video. In this video, I'm gonna show you that how you can create a Gmail account without a phone number. First of all, just simply go to settings of your mobile phone, just tap on settings and you have to make sure that your Wi-Fi connection, also make sure that VPN is not connected. After that, just go back and just simply go to your Google Chrome and just go to sign in of your Google account, just like that. And you just simply go back and just go to add an account and just wait for a second and just we have to just do a security verifications, just like that. You just enter a password or maybe fingerprint of your mobile phone and just wait for a second for the loading. And now you have to just simply do that is you create account, just tap on create account for the personal use. Simply tap name of your hair. Second is optional, you just simply tap on first one, just simply randomly add an date of your, just like that. You have the male or female, just tap on it and just go next. And you have to just simply select any Gmail you like to add, just like that. I want to add that, just add it and just go to next and just simply type a password, just like that. I want to add a password. I just simply add a simple password for you and they need a secure password, so I'm gonna add like a jam 1122 at the rate, just like that. As password, have a secure password, just tap on next and just go next. And you see there is a simply do that your account is gonna create. So that's it, a video. Make sure you like our video and subscribe our channel for more tech related videos.